When exactly does a baby start talking? Is it at the age of 6, 10, 11, or 18 months? We cannot say for sure. Every child has their own time. But we are sure about how babies start talking. They repeat sounds. And our book, MEOW-WOOF CAW-RIBBIT-MOO-HONK-CLUCK, is very helpful for that. The book contains little stories with both text and pictures. Their setting is familiar to children. The main character spends time at home, in the park, in the car. The book encourages speech development on 4 levels, repeating the animal sounds, describing the pictures, remembering the spelling of the words in first reading.